The students become much more confident during their period of time. When the students first start, they're a little unsure of themselves. Many of them know why they're there. They have a purpose, they have a career goal, but they're not quite sure. For many of them, they're returning to school. It's been some time since they've been in school, so they're uncertain. As they move through the curriculum, and as part-timers, it takes 3 years to complete the program. Two things happen to them. First of all, they become much more confident of their ability to learn, to study, to think, and to write, to express themselves. We see very high-level work from the students. The second thing that happens to them is many of them begin to change their career focus. So they take courses and they're introduced to concepts and perspectives of the healthcare system that they hadn't really thought about before. So their career begins to evolve, and their dreams and their goals begin to change. And we believe that it's very important to support students in that and to allow them to question, allow them to think about what it is that they want to do. We have the Practica, where they can try out in an experiential learning situation some of their new roles. And we find that those are the kinds of changes. It's really fun and exciting to work with people and see them make new discoveries about themselves and about how they're going to play as leaders in the healthcare system. I also see a lot of development of leaders, and people that come in have been managers and really leave ready to take on executive roles. And that's very, very exciting. It's exciting for them as individuals, it's exciting for us at the Yale School of Nursing, and it's very exciting for our profession and for our healthcare system.